Guys, may I want to say this. I'm one of those guys who doesn't care, and I don't please people to make my decisions or to say what I really want or I feel that it's very right. And I have seen some comment that, hukuelewa regarding Gachagua on what he was saying. First, he was condoning, it was not about the Somali people, children, in those Mount Kenya schools. He was condemning other communities that do this one and that one and that one. I want to challenge him. This national school, me, I've been MP. I've not done so much in those big schools. I'm only concentrating on this growing school. First of all, regarding Gachagua, tell us how many schools you brought to the national standards in your Madira constituency when you are the MP. I'm sure there is none, even a single one. And I'm more developer than you. And even Redindi has done so much than you. So trying to say that Somalis and any other community not to come to your Mount Kenya, first you should know, how many presidents have we had? Have we ever seen even a single president from Somaliland? Adam Moja. They have never gotten a president. They have gotten a deputy president. You have been the deputy president. The Mount Kenya have got Kenyatta, then 10 years Kibaki, Uhuru 10 years, and Nani was there, I don't know for how many years, for almost 30 years or whichever number of the years they have been there. So you are more connected with electricity, you are more connected with the roads, like even my constituents. We don't have electricity, a very small percentage, but you are there. So to whom much is given, much is more expected. And those are the consequences. And even those schools were not built by this current leader, because I'm sure no MP, even the governors don't build schools. They're only doing the ECDs. MPs do not have capacity to build the national school. We only concentrate to these sub-county or whatever the schools. These is county schools, extra county schools. That's what we are doing. So you should not politicize everything. If you are a true leader, if I want to speak to people of Mount Kenya, and people of Kambani refuse that nonsense. That now someone is mentioning this and this and this and this. We cannot accept it. And that one should stop to where he started that conversation from. That is a fact. Me, I never impeached you, by the way, Bernard Gachagua. I never impeached you. Because I believe that it was not right for you to be impeached. In fact, it made me even to lose my lucrative committee that I was having of agriculture. And I was removed and nikaenda kuangalia supu ya wabunge. Mimi ndio niko huko. But you should rebrand yourself to a nationalist, but not to bring disunity. As young people of this country, we are not interested with the politics of tribal, of Waluya, of Sijui. Even when they rated me among those leaders when you're going to influence Waluya, I say that I'm not interested to be a Luya kingpin. I'm interested to be a leader, a national leader. A national leader. I'm not interested to be a kingpin of. So I'm saying this because I'm one of the gatekeepers of this country that God has given them powers and authority to oversee when there's a problem coming and tell Kenyans that this is a problem that we have to condemn at all costs. So wale watu ambao wanasema, you didn't understand. Bana boss, I'm one of the super intelligent people, young people, leaders in this country. And I've refused that conversation. At ODM wakati walianza mambo aliwaambia no, stop it. And right now they are respecting Uhuru Kenyatta as the leader who needs to be given peace of mind. So, to you, Rigathi Gachagua, stop that nonsense. It's like you don't have people who can guide you and tell you, hii story mnapiga huko na kina nani, sijui na kina nani. Mwache hizo vitu. We are one country. Yes.
What's the point?